Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your custom status in Discord. So in this case, log into your Discord first. Then you find here your username at bottom. Just click here your username, and you'll find here set custom status. Click here, and you can uh, set your status like sleeping. Okay, so clear after you can set your times like 4 hours. Then you can set your status to do not disturb. Click on save. Your custom status is saved like this. So you can see here uh, sleeping. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.